You mentioned that Alibaba is one of your top picks. Is it testy, though, when it does come to the consumer environment right now? And, of course, you're talking about investing in the ADRs. But, yeah, we got those decent numbers coming through from JD.com, but there was a very low bar in terms of the estimates. And you're seeing this severe competition in the e-commerce space by these Chinese retailers. And I suppose the growth coming more so from outside of the country than in it.
That's right. I think the play, though, on Chinese consumers is if they do act on this sort of tax break idea that they've been talking about at the National People's Congress, and also this liberalization of the household registrations, allowing migrant workers to establish residences in the urban centers where they've been residing for a long time, that could be a considerable boost to consumer spending. So the idea there with Alibaba is that it is a large boat that would benefit from that tide lifting if some of those policies go into place and China's consumer spending can surprise to the upside.
Indeed. Let's keep it with some more stock-specific ideas that you've recommended, David. You sent us a good list. You like China Life, Ping An, and Alibaba at a time when obviously people are looking under the hood when it comes to e-commerce players in the region like JD.com, Meituan, Dianping. JD.com obviously came out with good numbers in the buyback, and also is looking at names like Pinduoduo.
Yeah, I think that the e-commerce players, I think, will benefit from a rising consumer spend. Remember, Alibaba also has very large cloud services, similar in some ways to Amazon. So we do have the benefit of that business expansion for them. I think the idea on the domestic insurance plays is really focused on strengthening the Chinese domestic stock market. I think if coming out of the National People's Congress, the national champions really commit themselves to supporting the stock market, that could be very good for Chinese stocks and Chinese domestic insurance companies that own big portfolios of domestic shares.